Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about your any person. You think about any person and they are not communicating you. They are angry with you or not talking to you, and you want to know what's with them. What are they doing? What are they going to be do? That's kind of reading. The first pile, this is the first pile and this is the second pile. Whichever you are attracting most, please choose that pile. I'm going towards my pile number 1. Those who choose the pile number 1 or this blue apple reading, your reading is that your person is not in love with you anymore. They don't like you anymore. Why is this card is here over here? Maybe they are moving towards something else, something other. Yes, they are breaking this relationship, and they want to move towards other direction. They not they are not any much want you or want to have a relationship with you, and they are not making if you are telling them to make some decision, they are not making decision over here. They are ignoring this situation. They are playing with the other things, uh, uh, not thinking about this thing. When they have to decide quickly, but they are not deciding about anything. They are letting it go like this. Okay, or maybe they are choosing the two paths. They are choosing the two parts, or maybe this is a third party situation, but there is no card over here for the third party. But I think so that there is a situation here, or they don't want you, and after they leave you, they will go towards someone else. They think that you are not good for them, and that's why they want to leave you and going towards someone else. Okay, and still they are not be able to not I think that they are not want to think about this situation to leave you, or either to make with you. Okay, the wheel of fortune, something is going here. Something is happening that is good for you. Okay, they are not looking at you, they are looking at someone else, and there's something happening here. There's also, they are not looking at you, that the monkey had some blindfold on his eyes. They are not looking you, and I think this probably be third party situation over here. You see that there is three animals over the wheel of fortune, and this situation will go towards you, or it's for your own good. Okay, um, they have to make a decision very soon, a sudden event that needs immediate attention. Time is of essence. Think things through carefully. They have to think about it, but I think that they are not thinking about it and make the good decision. Why is this card over here? I want to clarify. Okay. Uh, yes. Oh, they have to fulfill their promise. If they have some promise towards you, they have to fulfill their promise. If they make some promise to you, they have to make it or fulfill it. And they are still juggling over that thing. They are not going to decide anything. They are not thinking about it. Not able. They are able to do it, but they are not thinking about it. Okay, two of earth. These two cards is for two of is these two cards are for two of earth. There two of earth is two times for you over here, and they are juggling over this situation. If they want to leave you, or if they don't want to leave you, what is good for them, what is not, what they have to do, what not, and then They are like a king of earth. Maybe they are Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus person. King of earth, generous, professional, responsible, practical. Maybe they think that they have some responsibility towards you, they have made some promise towards you, and that's why they are struggling over here and not be able to make some decision. A successful time, confidently accept opportunities you are offered. The Midas touch, the universe are telling them that they have to accept that responsibilities that had given to them, and they have to fulfill their promise. Okay, the Empress. Okay, lavish abundance, give birth to your dreams, nurture yourself and others. Okay, with this card, maybe they are coming towards you, or maybe they want some baby, or and having some baby from with you, and this maybe this situation is going towards a higher place. This is moving towards your good time. And 10 of your, yes, you're definitely with this 10, number 10, this is the number of ending something, and the end, this card is for the end of your difficult time, and embrace the change and accept that things to get better now. Recovering from an, what is this, addiction. Okay, yes, I think they are coming towards you. They are leaving every any other thing, and they are maybe coming towards you. They are coming out of their bad time. Okay, and maybe this is situation because of this coronavirus or the money matter. They are not thinking about you. They are mad at you at some kind, some situation, and now they are feeling that this is not good, and they have to change their self, and they are going to change their self. Okay, now Page of Fire, outgoing, creative, confident, mischievous. News of an exciting new adventure, use your organization and ingenuity. Yes, you have to do something new, or they are going, yes, they are going to do something new. Maybe it's with you or with anyone else. News of exciting new endeavor, use your originality, and yes, they have to decide over here. Okay, Knight of Air, intelligent, decisive, idealistic, tireless. Okay, this is the energy of Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. Yes, and with this is Wheel of Fortune. No, no. Okay, with this Emperor, they are like Aries. Yes, and events that occur with a great speed. Take time to carefully review your option. Creative solutions. Maybe they are coming towards you. They are armed. They are ready for it, and they are coming towards you. They are think that you are good for them. Maybe. Or maybe they are coming towards you to cut you off from their life, and this wedding card is upside down. That's mean that they are not going to marry you. They are not happy with this situation. And with the lady with a Bosch egg, ancient wisdom, and this is upside down. That's mean that they are not wise. They are not a wise person at this situation. They are not wise person. They are not thinking about the circumstances. They just want to leave you. Okay, and with the carnivorous flower fairy, a tempting offer has a high price, and I think that this situation is good for you and them both, because if they don't love you, don't like you, and they are forced to live with you, they are they will fight with you. They will don't talk to you, and you are you also not feel good with that thing. Nine of Wands. Yes, they are defending themselves with this card, and also their love. And with the lady with Bosch, yes, they are not wise. maybe they have not so much happiness in their life, and some kind of devil are telling them to do this. Maybe some other person are telling them to do this. This king of earth is Capricorn, and Capricorn's card is Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus, and the Capricorn card is also the this devil card. They are yes, they are maybe over there. They tell us that recovering from an addiction. You can see that they are telling us recovering from addiction, and this is also the card of addiction. The restrictions tied to towards something, or or what having a mask on face, not telling the truth, speaking lie, like this. I want to pick some more cards for you. What is going to happen with them, and what are they thinking? What are they going to do? They are not any much in a stubborn position. They are going to make some decision over here. Their judgment, something is going to happen over here with the allowance of universe. Universe is doing something over here. They are coming back towards their you maybe, or someone they know from their past, and they are defending this situation. They are not going to separate you. They are not going to divorce you. I think they are coming towards you. This could be the one. Yes, I think that this situation is better for you or them. Okay, this is all for you for today. I hope you like it. If this reading resonate you, please tell me in the comment section, and please like, share, subscribe this reading, and with lots of love and good wishes. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2, pile number 2, or this blue sandal keychain, your reading is your person is coming towards you, but they are very slow in this situation. They are healing from some kind of betrayed, some kind of backstabbing. They are healing from this. They are coming out of this situation, and they are coming towards you. Okay, and with this yes, and they are healing from that situation, and they are coming towards you, but this is going to happen very slowly. This is very slow reading. You have to wait for them. This is but they are coming towards you, and at this time they are not able to yes, they are not able to fulfill their promise. They are not able to take care of you, because they are in healing process, and they are their selves are not thinking well. Okay, and with this 4 of cups upside down, they are now they are looking at the thing that universe is given to them. What the universe is given to them, what is the perspective with this. They are looking at this thing. Maybe the universe is giving them you, and they are thinking about that thing. What if I have them? What if I am with them, and I have that person? Now they are ready, and they are coming towards you. They are going to take a leap of faith. They are going to try, what if I marry her or him, or I am with them? What happened to me? Let's see it. What going to happen? Yes, they are going to try it. They are in experiment, some kind of experiment with you. Okay, with the king of water, trustworthy, compassionate, respected, cultured. Open your heart and mind to those around you. Trustworthy and hurtful advice, charity work. I think they are coming towards you. They are thinking about you, and they are coming towards you. with this Knight of Pentacles, maybe they are Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius person. And with this Queen of Pentacles, yes, no, Knight of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, they are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn person. And with this King of Water, they are Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces person. Maybe Cancer, mostly Cancer. Okay, and now they are Ace of Air. Brilliant new ideas and inspirations is seeing the truth of a situation, a challenging beginning. Okay, but this is upside down. Maybe they are not happy as well. Yes, they are blocking you at this situation. They are blocking you. They are not coming towards you. They are not going to begin something new with you. The Three of Air, because they had the maybe they had in a previous time, in previous life, they had because someone had betrayed you. They had someone. This is a third party situation, and they have someone before you, and they love them very much, and they had left them, or maybe they are died or something, and they are now not in a position to marry you or think about you or begin something else, but they are still thinking about you. They are having some attraction towards you. They think that you are more lovable person. Okay, Queen of Water, this is I think this is a couple, but they are upside down, or you are the upside down Queen of Water. Tender hearted, empathetic, patient, and loving. Relationship develop to a new level. Trustworthy, intuition, care for yourself and others. Yes, but they are not thinking that they are going to help care for you. They are not able at this time. They want to win something. They want to maybe win you, or win these qualities in them. They are not in a good position, but let your friends help you. Ask you for and accept support from others. Maybe you have to tell their brother, sister, their parents to ask them or tell them that you are proposing them or something like that. Their relatives or friends, they are going to help them to change their mind about you or about something. Okay, Acha, what waiting for? This is also the card of waiting card and slow moving situation, and this is also the card of what waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. You have to wait at this time. Okay, they are removing their mask. They are in their own self. They are not telling you any lie. They are telling you the truth. They are coming towards you, but they are having very slow movement towards you. You have to wait for them. Be patient at this time, and the universe will give you something good. Okay, this is the reading for you for now. I hope you like it. If this reading resonates you, then tell me, and like, share, subscribe this reading. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.